Hello and welcome back to Club Caddy University. Today we are going on an exciting journey to create an inventory item with modifiers. First, let's navigate to the settings and then Inventory Center. We will begin under the Add/Manage Items tab. In this example, we will be creating a Build Your Own Chicken Sandwich. Now, there are two routes we can take to start this. We could click on the Add Item button and start from scratch, or we could utilize an item that already exists within our menu with similar properties. To save time, we're going to take the second route today. Let us use the Build Your Own Burger item as our template. To find it, let's use the drop-down options and click on Food, then Sandwiches, and hit Search. Here you'll find our BYOB burger. To duplicate that burger item, click on the Clone button. Our new cloned item will appear with all of the properties of the original. Next, you will want to click on the View/Edit option. The beauty of cloning is that the department, subdepartment, categories, and inventory type remain the same. We just have to change a few items, like the name. We'll change this to BYO Chicken Sandwich. Next, we'll need to update our item costs, sales price, and floor price to reflect our new chicken sandwich. For today, we'll leave these unchanged as an example, but in real-world situations, these should be adjusted based on the item's cost and your desired profit margin. Now, you have the option to choose a menu color. This can help users identify items quickly. Let's add a menu color to our item. For our chicken sandwich, we'll go with blue. You could apply green to all of your vegetarian options or red to any specials as an example. Then you'll click Update. Now that the basic details of the item are set, let's go ahead and add some modifiers. These are the options our customers can choose from when they build out their sandwich. To do that, we'll click on the Inventory Modifier Groups tab, and we can add or edit various modifier groups. For instance, if we wanted to create a new category, let's say the example here is bread type, we can go to Manage Category and add a new modifier category. The max options limit is the maximum number of options a customer can choose from a category. So for bread type, we actually only want them to choose one type. So we will adjust this limit to 1. Then you will click Add Inventory. Next, we'll hit Closed. Next, we would want to add any menu options to the created category. Let's say you wanted to add sourdough to the bread options. You would simply use the Modifier Category drop-down menu and choose Bread Type, and then type in the menu option here, like sourdough. If there was an additional amount you would like to charge for this option, you could enter that amount here. Then hit Create. It would then be added to the options under the bread type. After setting our menu options, it's time to apply these modifiers to our inventory item. To do this, we click on the 3 dots on the right-hand side and choose Select Item, and then Add Inventory. We'll pare down our search by typing in BYO and then select our BYO Chicken Sandwich. The inventory modifier groups were created so users could easily apply modifier options to multiple menu items rather than entering each option under the item itself, saving time. You could apply this bread option to any of your sandwich options if you prefer right here rather than going into each of them separately. Let's switch over to the register to see the result of our work. Click on Food, then Sandwiches, and there's our blue chicken sandwich. Below, you see the modifier options we provided. Now, the user can clearly see what choices they have and how many. If you recall, we used the same options as our original burger and modifier layout, which was our version 1. And our newly improved version, this new layout is much more efficient and user-friendly because it clearly outlines the customer's choices and quantities of each choice they can make. In contrast, our original design simply listed the options with their prices for the customer to pick from. Now, for our longtime users interested in updating their systems to this improved version, let's walk through the process. We're going to start by clearing up an existing item. Let's continue with our build your own chicken sandwich. First, we need to go back to our inventory and find the build your own chicken sandwich that we just created. Once we've located it, we click on the View/Edit. Now take note, these modifiers were initially added under the Modifiers tab. So unless you have a uniquely specific modifier that doesn't apply to any other item in your inventory, it's better to add it under the Inventory Modifier group instead of the Modifiers tab. This way you can apply the same modifiers to multiple items in the future. For now, we'll go ahead and delete all the irrelevant options. For example, medium rare, not great for chicken, and we can remove green peppers. Might not be a popular choice. On the other hand, options like add fried egg or sub fries could be worth keeping, depending on your menu. The goal is to streamline the choices to make it easy for the customers or staff to navigate. Once we're satisfied with the changes, we click Update. Now let's go see how it looks. Let's go back to the register. We can see the added modifier groups are now available for our BYO chicken sandwich. And that's it. You've successfully created an item with modifiers using Club Caddy. This software gives you the flexibility to customize and streamline the customer's ordering experience. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, our team is always ready to help. Thank you for joining us and have a great day.